Welcome to our journey through the Amazon rainforest, one of the most mysterious and biodiverse places on Earth. The Amazon basin covers over 6 million square kilometers, spanning 9 South American countries. The Amazon is home to an estimated 390 billion individual trees and 10% of the world's known species. Indigenous tribes in the Amazon have used plants like the cinchona tree for centuries, which led to the discovery of quinine, a crucial malaria treatment. The Amazon River is the world's largest river by discharge volume and is so vast that it has its own tide. Deforestation poses a severe threat to the Amazon, with an area equivalent to 8 football fields lost every minute. Over 400 distinct indigenous groups call the Amazon home, each with its own culture, language, and traditions. The Amazon rainforest acts as the lungs of the earth, producing 20% of the world's oxygen. Some indigenous tribes in the Amazon remain uncontacted by the outside world, living in isolation. The Amazon is home to countless unique plant species, like the Rafflesia arnoldii, which produces the world's largest flower. The Amazon rainforest is not just a place, it's a living treasure trove of biodiversity and knowledge. It's essential that we protect and preserve this incredible ecosystem for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Amazon rainforest. If you found these Amazon facts as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content.